Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you another vegan tutorial, and this is actually going to be a series because many of you have purchased my Cotton Creations Vegan Honey Pecan Cornbread Mix, and thank you so much for the support. I wanted to create a series where I show you guys some other options that you could do with your cornbread mix because, honey, it is not a one-trick pony. You can do many things with your cornbread mix. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. I know some of you are new to Cotton Creations, so welcome to my channel. I just want to let you know, for any vegan recipe that I share on my channel, I put the recipe in the description box down below for you to either download, save it, and print it, and what have you. They're all free, so that's where you can find them for all my food tutorials. So in today's video, I had some churros recently, and I was like, you know what? I wonder if I could do like a churro inspired cornbread something or another. So what I ended up doing was a churro inspired cornbread muffin. So let's go over what you'll need for this recipe.
You'll need some plant-based milk, plant-based butter. Of course, you'll need your Cotton Creations cornbread mix, as well as some sugar, some cinnamon, some brown sugar, and that's it. So I'm just going to prepare my Cotton Creations cornbread exactly how it's instructed on the back of the bag. And then I'm going to pour my batter into a greased muffin pan. And then I'm going to pop that in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 30 minutes. You may need less time or more time. Just check them with the toothpick. And then I'm going to combine some white granulated sugar and cinnamon into a baggie and shake that up. It's optional. You can also add into this mixture some brown sugar, totally up to you. But once it's done and they're out of the oven, as soon as they come out, you want to pop them out and put them in your baggie, give them a nice shake, and that cinnamon and sugar is going to stick right to them. And then you're done. Baby, let me tell you. Well, I'll wait. Look at these cinnamon sugar cornbread muffins. Have y'all ever had that before? I just thought about it after I had some churros, but baby, you're gonna hear what I think in a second. I recently heard from a customer that her grandmother said, you know, it's good when the cornbread cracks in the center, and you see that muffin's got that little crack in the center. Come on now, look at how moist and good and delicious that is. Oh, you see, it's not dry at all.
So these are so simple, so easy, but baby, let me tell you, just something as simple as some cinnamon and sugar can really change the whole like flavor and the dynamic of a dish of the cornbread. And I didn't think it was going to do that the way that it did, but it like turned it into something else. So it's something great though. It tastes like my taste buds were dancing, of course, but I was like blown away because it's so simple, and it's simple ingredients too. But nonetheless, you have to give it a try and come back and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.